Hello everyone. Today we're going to explain how to correctly install the most important PC components step by step. First, we start with the motherboard, the foundation of any PC build. We are using the Asus TUF Gaming B650 motherboard. Carefully remove the motherboard from its box to avoid causing any damage. Place it gently on top of the box and avoid touching any sensitive components. Make sure to remove any protective stickers you see, so you don't forget them later. Next, open the CPU socket carefully. We are installing the Ryzen 5 7500F processor. Take the CPU out gently and make sure not to touch the pins underneath. Align the processor correctly with the socket. Next, we remove these screws to install the storage drive. You can choose any type of storage you prefer, as it does not significantly affect gaming performance. Make sure to remove the protective cover before installing the drive. Once the storage is in place, secure it by tightening the screws back properly. Now it's time for the CPU cooler. Remove the 4 mounting screws carefully. You can choose any cooler you like, but make sure it is high quality before purchasing. If you want a more aesthetic look, you can go with a liquid cooling solution. Set the instruction manual aside. But do not throw away any parts that come with the cooler. Make sure you keep all the mounting accessories. Apply thermal paste to the CPU and ensure you use the correct amount, not too much and not too little. Now it's time to install the heatsink. Mount the cooler securely onto the CPU. Attach the fan to the heatsink if it is not pre-installed. Then, connect the fan cable to the designated CPU fan header on the motherboard. Next comes the RAM, which is one of the easiest parts of building a PC. Insert the memory sticks into the correct slots and press firmly on both ends until you hear a click. ensuring they are fully seated in place. Next comes the case, which serves as the home for all your components. Install the case fans. Making sure they are facing the correct direction for proper airflow. Secure them using the correct screws and mounting points. Now it's time for the power supply, the heart of the system that delivers electricity to every component we installed. I strongly recommend avoiding cheap power supplies, as low-quality units can damage your other components. Place the power supply into its designated compartment and secure it firmly. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. The graphics card, the beauty of the PC, and the most important component after the processor. Carefully remove it from the box with patience and caution. Prepare the expansion slot area on the case by removing the necessary slot covers. Yes, this is the beauty that captures the heart, elegance, power, and pure visual satisfaction.